Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Vietnam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang, Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang, Vietnam. That's where you going all around Danang.
Sun River. I did pay for the better room, the best room in the place actually, which was 1.5 million dong, which is about $50, I think, something like that, maybe $60, something like that. But the value in Vietnam is amazing, so it's 100% worth it, of course. And what I'm going to do in this video is just so you can see the bathroom and see everything. That's what it looks like. What I'm going to do is film around it. So I'm going to, you can see the riverfront already, so I'm not even going to walk over that way. But I'll just show you the street that's behind me, just to give you a little bit of context. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we're in Da Nang, Vietnam, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it as if you're there yourself. So yep, Sun River. Usually I would walk different directions around the hotel, but I don't really need to because you can see it right from my beautiful window. You can also see the beautiful architecture of the neighboring place. They also have an incredible view. And at nighttime I'll be able to see the dragon show. I guess they have it as well. There's also a little bit of a corner there too. Okay, so let's go down to the down there where all the people are walking by, and we'll show you the front, and then we'll walk down this little street and give you a little idea of where we're at. This is the room, by the way. And the hallway. Okay. Nice and clean. So I'm up there, Sun River Hotel. Give you a little context where we are. There's the riverfront, so now we can see it from the street level. I'll give you a little idea. That's the neighboring one. So we're gonna cross the street, and then we're gonna walk down our. This one is the riverfront street. That's the other one right there. Okay, so we are gonna walk down like this. And you can see the Sun River. So my room would be right there, where that's opening at. And we're gonna walk down. It's a little bit of rain here. This is directly behind me. Oh, just walking. I think I saw some like flower shops, some nail salon things as well. More hotels, Paradise Hotel, One Star Hotel, Quero Cafe. Here's the flowers. Coconuts, juice, fruits, more food that way. Vietnamese food. Nail salon. Okay. So maybe and fresh flowers. So yeah, ours is right in that little alley. See if we can. Oh, the car's gonna stop. So ours was on the corner, Sun River. All right.